Fire crews from around southern Arizona are heading north to help fight wildfires burning in Montana.
News 4 Tucson's Zach Briggs tells us how the Green Valley Fire District is playing a role in the suppression efforts. It's new at 6.
Whenever a big wildland fire breaks out here in Arizona, personnel from across the nation comes to assist. Now Green Valley is doing their part to help with an over 50,000-acre blaze in Montana.
Multiple wildfires continue to rip through Montana. 3 Green Valley firefighters are among the over 300 personnel involved in suppressing a blaze near the town of Phillipsburg.
They're dealing with true timber country, under duff, down trees, which is, a large change from the scrub brush and buffalo grass that's here in southern Arizona.
Green Valley Fire District's Joey Kozarowski noted the firefighters are equipped with a Type 6 wildland engine, which is capable of holding 200 gallons of water.
They're also self-sufficient for about 72 hours, so they carry those lovely MREs to eat for dinner. They also bring their own sleeping bags and tents, and personal protective equipment to go to work and support wherever they're needed.
Montana not catching a break this summer. The flames relentless, scorching hundreds of thousands of acres. Big sky country shrouded in smoke. Beyond the haze are the men and women from around the nation fighting to extinguish the embers.
During the Sawmill Fire, the Mulberry Fire, the Burl Fire, we had all those resources from around our state of Arizona and around the western United States that came and assist us. So it's our chance now to pay back those states and those agencies in their time of need.
These firefighters, they're working around the clock, and I'm told they'll tentatively be back here in Green Valley in the next couple weeks. I'm Zach Briggs, News 4 Tucson.